morning students, myself Yokesh Singh, science teacher at ISL Monidi Dhanbad. Okay, today we will continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 7. Okay, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. Okay, so in the previous class we have studied about the difference between weather and climate. In this class we will study about the climate and adaptations. Now when we are talking about adaptation, that means adaptation of animals and plants. Okay, which kind of animals and plants are present in areas which are different in their climatic scenario. Okay, now let us understand this, that in a particular area, or you can say, let's say Arctic region or a desert. Okay, these two regions are quite different from each other. In deserts there is high temperature, very high temperature. They may exceed up to 45 to 50 degrees centigrade. In polar regions the temperature may decline up to minus 35-36 degrees centigrade. So the living organism present there will have different adaptations from plants as well as animals. Okay, we will study specifically about these kinds of adaptations of different animals and which kind of animals are present in which regions of the world and what adaptation they have acquired in the climatic conditions, in their climatic conditions. Now let us talk about first of all about polar region. So polar region, we have already discussed that it is very cold region in which there is sunlight reaches obliquely, or you can say indirectly, therefore the places are very cold. Okay, and as a result of which the animals and plants present there ought to have adaptations which are conducive to live in low temperature. Okay, in our country also regions such as Ladakh, okay, have temperature less than minus 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, so here the animals and plants will have different adaptations. So first of all let us talk about the polar regions. In the polar regions there are different kind of animals like Arctic fox, penguins, then polar bears. Okay, so they have different adaptations. They have thick fur which permits them to which acts as the insulation, okay, to keep their body warm. They have very thick layer of fat tissue underneath the skin which provides them insulation. Both fur and skin provide protection to them. Okay, the size of their nose are usually small in order to reduce the surface area. Okay, so that minimum heat can be lost from the body. Okay, also their limbs have been adapted to walk in the ice. Okay, they have this flattened kind of limbs which enables them to walk in the ice or snow, both in the penguins as well as in polar bear. Okay, so they have different kind of adaptation, especially in your book Polar Bear, the adaptation of polar bear has been mentioned. So we have already explained that it has a layer of fat under its skin. Okay, it has just long, curved and sharp claws. These help it to walk on ice. Okay, it has a very strong sense of smell. It has to be at the locate the catches, because in those regions life forms are very scanty. Okay, so they must have a strong sense of smell which enables them to find their prey. Okay, unless then what will happen if they will not find the prey? Then what will happen? They will die because of starvation. Okay, and these regions are very, you can say, rugged kind of environment, very unforgiving. Okay, maximum mortality occur in the extreme conditions. We talk about any kind of extreme condition, whether polar region or desert regions. These regions are very challenging. Okay, and therefore the very few forms of life are present in it. Okay, let us move up to the next topic. Okay, So different animals have different adaptations. Okay, now penguins have some other kind of adaptation which enables them to swim. They have a streamlined body. Streamlined body is a characteristics of it's a shape which what you can say enable them to swim. Okay, so streamlined body is basically is to facilitate them to swim. So penguins are good swimmers also, so that they can catch their prey, mostly fish. Okay, now let us understand about different kind of